Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today we title guys Samsung phone my phone vibrate while ringing guys. How can we on? Friends, you want to on guys Samsung phone my phone vibrate while ringing. So then how to on it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, then first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So then first of all guys, you will have to on guys Samsung phone setting guys. So we will on it after on phone setting as click on guys Samsung phone my phone sound and vibration setting. Friends, vibrate while ringing guys, you can check here. So friends, you want to on, so guys you can on from here. So friends, phone vibrate while ringing setting guys, you can use. So friends, phone will vibrate while ringing guys. So friends, you want guys your phone should vibrate while ringing, so guys you can on and you can use it. And friends, you don't want to use, so guys you can off from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood on how to on guys vibrate while ringing setting in Samsung phone device. So bye guys.